Hello everyone, I am Nisarga from Maharani's Women's Commerce and Management College, Mysore. I am going to explain flexible manufacturing system. Flexible manufacturing system, it is a system manufactured by the one products in a factory. That is the product, machineries, tools, equipments and other things products also. It includes flexible manufacturing system. It includes the introductions, meaning, structure, characteristics, models, advantages, disadvantages. It will be includes the morely understanding by these contents also. First is the introduction of flexible manufacturing system. It will helpfully understanding by what is the flexible manufacturing system. It will be flexibly manufactured by the one product and other than products also. It is the elements of the manufacturing into highly automated system products. Highly automated high quantities of the products. It will be high degrees of the product will be producing the manufacturing company. Flexible manufacturing system will be born on the 1960s in this world. Flexible manufacturing system means it is a improve the productivity of the small and medium value productions. It means it is a product will be producing the factory will be improve the productivity rate. Is the degrees of the quantities of the products will be small and a medium value are there are in the flexible products. Meaning of flexible manufacturing system. It is the automated machine cells. It will be consisting of the group of processing workstations. It means it is a producing the product or a machineries will be group of processing in the workstations of the manufacturing company. It is a flexible manufacturing company. It will be interconnected between the material handling and the storage system. Not one, not the storage, not the handling tools. It will be handled and storage by the computers systems only. It will be therefore flexible manufacturing system means it is the automated cells. It is the group of the processing the product in a factories. Structure of flexible manufacturing system. What is the structure of flexible manufacturing system? It is the first one is the system controller. System controller means it is the system controlled by the machine by the robotics. It means oversees the operations of the entire flexible manufacturing systems only. It is the controlling the products or equipments or machineries in these manufacturing systems. It will coordination the operates the varieties of the equipments in the factories also. Second one is the automated machine tools. Automated machine tools are MC tools. It is the system flexibly 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 manufactured in the manufacturer. It will be controlled by the computer only. In a general purpose, MC tools are normally used in the flexible manufacturing system. Next one is the loading and unloading charges. Loading and unloading station. It means it is the um, part of the parts that is the materials or the raw materials or the finished goods are loaded or unloaded by the robotics only. Next one is the work transportation. Work transportation means it is the uh, carry parts between the loading area and a machinery station. It individually conveys are used for the high degrees of the flexibility. Next one is the material handling. Material handling, it is the transport work in process in by the uh, manufacturing company. It will be assigned, the tools are assigned the positions of the machines, are controlled, are system controlled by the robotics only. Material handling by the computers or systems. Next is the tools room and the storage. Tools room and the storage is used by the systems only. It is the stored in the tools room and transported to machineries centers. Next is the last one is the auxiliary equipment. Auxiliary equipment means it is the besides the MC tools only. It is the oversees the operations of the entire flexible manufacturing system. It includes the cleaning, online inspection, automated measurements, etc. Next is the characteristics of the flexible manufacturing system. What is the characteristics of flexible manufacturing system? In a flexible manufacturing systems, producers or manufacturers are decided in the what are the products will be produced, when the product will be produced, how the product will be produced, on the basis of the consumers or a customers things, or the satisfying the customers needs and wants in these cost, in these qualities, in these characteristics of the flexible manufacturing system. Only one product will be produced in the manufacturer. It will be product will be low cost, is a high qualities of the product, is a varying designs also, it's a large varieties also, it's a small volume, it's a lesser lead time. It will be the considered in the only one products or a varieties of product, but consumers things will be these are things will be there in this mind. It will these characteristics will be things to be producing the products by manufacturer. Next is the models of the flexible manufacturing system. What are the models of flexible manufacturing system? Is the first one is the production scheduling and control. Production scheduling and control is the very important for the flexible manufacturing systems. It is the schedule the various productions operations in the manufacturing system and controlling by the systems, computer systems. Next one is the transport management. Transport management, it is the management by the take care of the movement of the products and movement of the products in a one place to another place. It will it will be work by the robotics. Next is the tool management. Tool management, it means what? It is the arrangement of the products. It's the availability of the what is the right tool at the right time, in the right conditions, at the right place will be one place to another place will be move the products. Next is the simulations. Simulations means it is analyzing the factory's operations before before the product producing the product. It will be entirely assembled line before it is the designed the product. It will be simulation will be helpful for the designing the products only. Next is the machine diagnostics. Machine diagnostics, it is the updates of the products real time about the manufacturing functioning of the machines during the operations. Next one is the routing flexibility. Routing flexibility, it means the producing the products through various routes or various process sequences. That is the machines in the factory in case of machines breakdown, tool failure and other interruptions also. Next is the volume flexibility. Volume flexibility can be defined as the economically produce the product in a high or a low quantities. It is depending upon the market demand at that moment also. It will be depends on the amount invested in a capital equipments and the efficiency of the manual labor performing in a various operations. It will be value flexibilities are important. Last one is the expansion of flexibility. What is that expansion of flexibility? It is the increase the productions quantities in case of varying the market demands. Okay, this involves considering the expenses required to buy a new products or a new machines. It's a making a changes in the layouts of the entire factory with the easy. It is a type of material handling systems used, and it will be trained workers can be increased on the shop floor also. Okay, this is the models of the flexible manufacturing system. Next one is the disadvantages of flexible manufacturing system. What is the advantages of flexible manufacturing system? What are the uses of flexible manufacturing system? First one is the improved product quality and the scrap value. Manufacturer can be producing the product will be, and the consumer things and wants needs will be will in the mindset to produce the product quality, and the scrap value uh, will be there in the product. Mention the product also. It discounted for 10%, 20% in this product. Will be high qualities of the product will be mentioned in the label of the product. Next is the reduction in the floor space used. Floor space used means it is the large space. Is the time to be gap between the time will be producing. It is the reduce the time, reduced the throughput time, and it's a variability. It is a varieties of the product, but it will be time to be it's, mention at the time of the product producing. It's a next one is the better competitive advantages. Better competitive advantages will be helpful for the marketing. It's a competitive market. Is a one product to another competitive products will be what product will be buy in the consumer decided in this flexible manufacturing system. Next one is the lower work process. Lower work process. Inventories high productivity. Inventories are highly productivity can be producing the product. Next is the last one is the economic benefits in indirect labor. Indirect labor means it is the reduce the um, errors of the product in repairs of the products, and other things will be helpful for the economically 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 helpful. These are the advantages of the flexible manufacturing system. Next one is the disadvantages of flexible manufacturing system. What are the disadvantages of flexible manufacturing system? Flexible manufacturing system is a very sophisticated system. Very sophisticated system means it is the high degrees of the product system. High level of the product will be um, it will be not used for the customers, and the technologically advanced sensor require high level of the planning will be high level. It is not improve the manufacturing producing the products, and the buying of the product will be consumers. Next one is that it requires high capital investment. Huge capital investments are there. It is not used as that. Next one is that it requires considerable amount of the time to be developed. Time will be developed by the product it requires. It is a considered by the amount of time to be developed. Time will be developed by the 1 year or 2 months or 1 days or etc. Next, examples of the flexible manufacturing system. What are their advantages? Examples are there. Is the first one is a Mazak's parts of for machines tools manufacturing plant in a Florence. Machine tools Mazak's parts and good. Next is the good ear tire manufacturing is the uses by the flexible manufacturing system. Next is the Ford sheet metal parts manufacturing plant in New Holland. Next, you Hugs aircraft plant in California. Next is the General Electronics also producing the flexible manufacturing system. These examples are flexible manufacturing systems. Next, reference of this flexible manufacturing system. Its first one is the MP Groover is an automation production system and computer integrated manufacturing, and HK Shivanand and internet sources also. Next, thank you everyone. Any inquiries, uh, any comments will be comment on the YouTube channels only. Thank you all.